Welcome back to Real Estate Investing Simplified, your go-to source for real estate wisdom, where we're demystifying the art of financing while keeping our identity under wraps. You see, in the world of real estate, sometimes it's best to keep a few secrets close to the vest. But let's dive right in with a thought-provoking question. Have you ever felt like traditional financing just doesn't cut it for your real estate dreams? Well, you're not alone. And that's precisely why we're here today, in our third installment, to unravel the enigma of hard money financing. This is the third video in our financing series, and we're getting into the nitty-gritty of hard money financing. So, buckle up, because we're about to embark on a thrilling journey. Step 1. Understand the basics. Before you dive in, it's essential to grasp the basics. Hard money financing is all about speed and flexibility. These lenders don't fuss over credit scores or lengthy approval processes. Step 2. Locate hard money lenders. Next, it's a scavenger hunt. Locate hard money lenders in your area or go national. Research, network, and make a list of potential lenders who might be your ticket to that lucrative real estate deal. Step 3. Present your deal. Hard money lenders want to see the deal. Prepare a compelling deal proposal, including property details, scope of work, and your plan to turn a profit. Show them you mean business. Step 4. Negotiate terms. Now it's time to put on your negotiation hat. Discuss the interest rates, terms, and fees. Negotiation is key to getting the deal that works for you. Step 5. Confirm funding. Once the terms are set and the deal is on the table, the lender will confirm the funding. It's your green light to make that real estate dream a reality. Step 6. Execute the deal. Now it's showtime. Execute the deal, carry out your project, and work your magic. The clock is ticking, so make the most of that hard money financing. So there you have it, my fellow real estate adventurers. Hard money financing, the not-so-secret weapon of seasoned investors, demystified in 6 simple steps. This is just the beginning of our financing series, so stay tuned for more insights. And don't forget to share your thoughts in the comments. What financing topics are you itching to explore next? Your suggestions are gold to us. Thanks for joining Real Estate Investing Simplified. I'm your real estate sensei, and remember, in the realm of real estate, knowledge is power.